Hello, thank you for choosing Timter. Today's video is about products. How to browse for products and how to add a new product. The products area is quite large, so this will be spread over more than one video. So from the home screen, let's go to settings and let's tap on profession. So here we have our current list of professions and the related materials to those. So by selecting one or more professions, that makes those materials for that profession available for you to browse. So I like to keep it simple and just keep it for my trade, which is electrical. Return to the home screen, and now we tap on the products button down the bottom, and here we are ready for browsing products. We can check the stock, and we've got my kits that we're come to on other videos. So let's go back to browse, and straight away at the top you can see the barcode scanner and the add button for adding new products. So let's go straight to the barcode, start scanning. I have two products here. Scan next. Show scanned products. So you can see that these products are fully loaded, so they're products that I've already put onto the system, but it just gives you an idea of how quick they can load up. Now if it was a brand new product, it would search for the information and it would come back with as much information as it possibly can from a designated server. It will need and it will require you to add various elements or attributes for that product before you complete it, which you can do quite simply, and that you'll see that area when we add a product shortly. So let's say done to that. Let's now, before we add a product, let's do another search. So we're going to use the microphone, 2-gang socket. And there we have a list of everything that's been found. And if you see the top one, it's got variants. So let's click on that. So you'll see there's a white plastic socket, and the variants are the chrome types that you can select if you prefer those. Now if we look at this product details, you see the selling price with an edit icon. If we tap on that, it gives you the full breakdown of the purchase price and the selling price, and you will see the VAT content in there, and you'll see this current markup at 20%. Now the markup you can change in settings as a globally general markup, and you have a high and a low markup, so you can choose of two. And then you also have an opportunity to have a project specific markup. So if you had a particular project where you can have a higher markup, or you need to keep it low to win the work, then you can select that for that project only, and other areas not suffer. Then we've got the next edit button is for stock. So this is like a really quick way of just correcting your stock levels or adding a product into your stock. So let's say done on that. So that's the add button that you see at the top is for adding it to a basket. So I've got my stock up at the moment, but you could add it to an order for one of your projects there. Let's keep it as for the stock, and we add that. So that now will go, you'll see the basket at the bottom. Okay, let's come out of there. Well, you'll notice from that when you scroll up, you lose the top bar, it minimizes, and you might struggle to navigate away from this page. So if you just drag down, you'll see that you've got the My Stock and kits that reappear. We'll clear that. You've got a filter for general, like an index, so you can browse by category if you wish. And then let's go to add a product. So tap on add a product, and you can manually enter a product completely from scratch, take your own photos of the product and fill in all the details, or you can do a web search. A pack of 10 5-amp fuses. So there we have the details that's come up in a search. If we're happy to import, we will have to make changes. You'll never get it sort of perfect. So the picture I'm happy with. We haven't got a barcode or a product code at this point, and I want this to be in a generic product anyway. The description, plug top fuse 5-amp, pack of 5, yeah, very happy with that. Let's make it generic so we can send it to anyone. Price looks pretty much about right. Dimensions, colour, so 5-amp fuse. Black. There we go, just double check the details. You can always edit this again at another time. And there we go, added to my stock. Got a little icon of a person by the image, and that means it's a personal product that you've created. So that's now in amongst your products. Okay, we'll be covering other bits surrounding products on other videos that will be coming very shortly. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.